Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in December we're going to go through from time to time some new features that were added through 2023. So in Windows 11, because Windows 10 didn't have really much except Copilot, but we will go and check out what appeared in Windows 11 throughout 2023. Now, we have something that is interesting because we start talking about it a lot. People are not sure exactly what it is, and it's passkeys. A lot of people are like, well, yeah, passkey, what's a passkey? Where do I get a passkey when I log into an account? Typically, passkeys are being given to you by whatever account you want to log into. So for example, Google has started doing it. So if you have a Gmail and you go to your Google account using your browser, there's a good chance that if you have to log in or if you get into the Gmail, it's going to say, there's a new thing called Passkeys. You want to set up a passkey. And a passkey is attributed to the device. So basically, it's not something you're going to see a number or anything. It's just going to tell you we're setting up a passkey, and it will be saved on the device that you actually have the passkey. So each device that you have the account on will each have a passkey saved to the device so that the accounts know that this is a trusted device. The way it's going to work is when the passkey is required, or if you log in and need to log in again, it's just going to ask you for the in Windows allow sign-in. So if you have, for example, in Windows a fingerprint reader and that's what you're using to log in, well, the fingerprint is going to be your passkey. It's going to activate the passkey. In your smartphone, for example, in my Galaxy phone, that's what it does. I simply put my fingerprint and it activates the passkey. Now, if I go to different accounts, that's how it works. But the thing is, how will I know that I have passkeys for accounts? Is there a way that I can see which account has passkeys? Yes, there is, and that's one of the features added in 2023 in Windows 11. And you simply have to go to your settings, and your settings app, you're going to go into accounts. And then you're going to go down to the passkey settings, as you see here. It says it uses your face, fingerprint, or a PIN to sign into apps and websites. Click, and it will tell you and show you which accounts are right now using passkeys. So here I've got my Microsoft account that is now logging in with a passkey. And I've got one of my Gmail accounts that has a passkey. Actually, almost all my Gmails have passkeys now. But since I log in with my phone on most of them, the passkey is in my phone. So it's not showing up here. But if I would go into the accounts here, it asks me to create a passkey. Of course, when it does that, it asks you to create a passkey. You can just say, well, no, not now. But passkeys have this really cool thing is that you don't have to remember a password. It's just a trusted device that's used to log in to your accounts. And you might say, yeah, but if I lose my phone? Well, if you use your phone, first of all, to have a passkey, you need to have a PIN on your phone or a way of getting into your phone, like a fingerprint, for example. So without that, the only thing they can do with your phone pretty much is reset it completely, which means they will not have access to your accounts anyways. But this requires that you use also in Windows allow. It means you need to have a PIN or some, fingerprint, face, whatever, with Windows allow in order for this to work. If you don't have a password to get into your phone or a PIN or anything, or Windows, passkeys cannot be created because it's not safe. So, yep, you can see the passkeys that are in Windows, what accounts have been created with passkeys in Windows 11. This is one of the new features of 2023. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.